Hi, good afternoon ladies and gents, it's Simon here at Vans today in Worcester, and I'm here to give you a video walk around of this 2015 on a 65 plate, the rare Jeep Wrangler Overland. This one being the 2.7 diesel with the auto gearbox, covered just 27,000 miles from new. I reckon it's in pretty clean, tidy condition. Now, for those of you that haven't seen any of our videos before, the purpose of the video is to give you a warts and all video walk around of the vehicle so you get an idea of exactly what it is that you're buying, and then you can make that informed decision whether this is the vehicle for you or not. But overall, I think you'll agree, tidy example. I just had the cam belt done on it as well, including a full service. It is available with both the soft and the hard top, okay? So we haven't photographed the hard top. Hard top is currently at ours. We can supply it with either, whether you want the soft top in place or the hard top in place. Just let us know. It's not a problem at all. Yeah, where do we start with this one? So let's go with where we start with the commercials. Up here on the roof, as you can see, soft top is fitted. It is a fairly recent purchase, the soft top, so it's not that old, and the condition of it shows you that it is in lovely condition. Coming down onto the front of the windscreen, your front windscreen is in good all-round condition as well. No major stone chips or cracks or anything along those kind of lines. Bonnet, as you can see, overall very nice and tidy indeed. Obviously it's gloss black. There are no major stone chips or cracks, obviously with the rake of this, but excuse my fingerprints from the bonnet, but there are no major stone chips or anything along those kind of lines. Front of the vehicle, your front lights, front grills, I suppose if you're being, you know, the grille is slightly dirty. We could see whether we can get that cleaned up much. That would be a fairly labour intensive job to get every little individual one of those tidied up, wouldn't it? Geez. Valeting team will love me for saying that. They may clean up, they may not clean up, we'll have to have a look. Front of the vehicle though, front bumpers, etc., all in good condition. Passenger side headlamp unit, that's all looking good. Indicator and DOL running light, or front fog light as it may well be this year, all in good order as well. Your front bumper corner, as you can see, that's in good condition. Side repeater, also in good order as well. And let's have a look down the side profile of the vehicle from this angle, and hopefully you can see it is in overall a nice tidy condition. There is a little bit of a ding on the one panel. I'm going to show that to you when we get around to that panel, okay? Front bumper, minor little bit of impact crease there, I suppose, but overall pretty good. Light unit this side's good, and headlamp, etc., all looking in good. A couple of minor stone chips on here, which we can go around with a touch-up stick and sort those out for you. Side repeater all present and correct and in good condition, and your front wing along there, that's all looking in tidy condition as well. Your driver's side front alloy wheel is in overall very nice tidy condition. You've got a Bridgestone dual tyre there. That tyre is in very tidy condition as well. No damage to the sidewall. Loads of tyre tread depth, as you can see there. I would say you're about 7mm on that one. Front wing continued, as you can see, all in good order. Nice reflection to that paintwork. Your side step, as you can see here, also in nice tidy condition. Driver's side door, again, all looking good. You can see it's got a lovely reflection to that paintwork, because unfortunately you can't see me with a video camera. Driver's side door mirror looking good. All of these bits, there's no corrosion on them or anything. Your door hinges, as you can see, are in tidy condition as well. Old school aerial there for you, all in good order. Driver's side door glass is looking good. Mirror of the mirror unit, that's also in good condition as well. Door handle and lock are good, and all of your door edges, as you can see, are in nice tidy condition. Rear quarter and arch looking good. We have a minor scratch there, okay? What I would suggest we do there is potentially a little bit of a flat and polish and touch in, and we should get that looking pretty good for you. I think that's just a little bit of excess polish there on the edge. It's just wiped off. Driver's side rear alloy wheel, again in lovely tidy condition. Again, a nice Bridgestone dual tyre fitted to that, and again that has plenty of tyre tread on there for you as well. All underneath your arches, etc., clean and tidy. It's been a bit of a city wagon, this one. I don't think you'll find it's done any off-road duties in any way, shape or form, and they're a bit of a modern classic, let's face it, aren't they? As you can see, there's your side view shot. Little dinky toy. Rear light unit this side, that's all in good order, and your rear quarter corners, etc., all in good order as well. Rear lights good, rear bumper, it's all looking good. Hard top, as you can see, not the hard top, the soft top, as you can see, it's in lovely condition. Tinted on the windows as well. Spare wheel holder on the back, and your spare wheel alloy wheel is also in great condition. Tyre on that one as well, also in super condition. Loads of tyre tread depth on there. High level brake light, all present and correct. There's the make of your soft top hood. Rear handle, that's all looking good. Rear light unit's good. Rear bumper corners also in good order as well. Yes, you do use number plate covers, because there are some horrible people out there that will try and clone your vehicle whilst it's on the forecourt. Inside your rear boot door card, as you can see, in good condition, and the boot that is currently accessible with one hand and the camera is in nice tidy condition as well. Back of your seats all looking good. I can't demonstrate that to you with camera and one hand. However, bumper corner, as you can see, that's all in good order. Lockable fuel cap with your key. Soft top hood on this side, all looking good. Your rear quarter and arch is also in nice tidy condition as well. Now there are minor little marks on the black paintwork. Nothing major, but there's some minor little marks on there, okay? Passenger side rear alloy wheel. It does have just a couple of small elements of corrosion on the polished part of there. The tyre itself is another Bridgestone dualer, again with loads of tyre tread depth. Again, underneath your arch here, everything is looking clean and tidy for you as well. Passenger side door, that's looking good, and your entry step is all looking good there for you as well. Door edges are good, door handle and locks all looking good. Mirror unit with mirror, all good. Now the ding I was talking about is here. Can you see that? I can get my dent man to have a look at it. I suspect it might be, it's a pretty hard one to do, that one. So assume at the moment you might be buying it with that on it, okay? Front wing, all looking good. Now there's a couple of minor little marks here. But overall, I still think that this is in good, original, tidy condition. Passenger side front alloy wheel, again another Bridgestone dualer tyre, and by my poor maths, I reckon that is now 4 Bridgestone tyres fitted to this vehicle there for you. And plenty of tyre tread depth on there for you. Now looking in the front, passenger side door card, again all good. Your entry sills, all in nice tidy condition. Carpet inside, all looking good. And dashboard, as you can see, all fine. Bit of Alpine speaker upgrade there. And then carpets, they're all nice and dry, okay? We've had a fair bit of rain lately and it has been out in it, so you can see she's a nice dry one. Inside, obviously we've got your removable roof panels as well as your removable hard top. So your panels will go over this bit, hard top goes over the back bit, okay? How do I access the back there for you to try and show you the back? So excuse our price board, but your rear seats, hopefully you can see, are in lovely condition. And move that back again, trying to do stuff one-handed. Bit of a glove box going on there, and then around to the driver's side. So driver's side door card in nice tidy condition. Door shuts are clean and tidy. Entry seals and plastics are in good condition. Driver's side seat base, as you can see, also in good order. Yes, that beeping noise is to remind you that you have left your keys in the ignition. Flooring on this side, all looking good. Pedals are good. And then you've got the 27,060 miles. There we go. Now we turn the ignition on. Let's fire her up. So obviously all of your normal lights, etc. And then your dashboard is in nice, clean, tidy condition. There's no excessive dust or anything along those kind of lines. Leather multi-function steering wheel. Horns in the center here. The steering wheel itself, as you can see, is in good condition. We have cruise control over here, and we have your controls for your stereo, etc. over here as well. And you can play around with that depending on what you want on there. We'll leave the speed on there at the moment, shall we? And then we have pretty old school 2015 sat nav screen there for you. You have got your factory Bluetooth on there as well for your telephone. Electric windows. We have the all-important air conditioning. You've got heated seats, headlamp levelers, hazard warning lights, some form of electronic stability program or hill descent control. Sorry, electronic stability program, hill descent control. Electric mirrors are over here. Low range gearboxes here. Your normal auto gearboxes here. And let's just give you a close-up of everything on here. You can see it's in lovely, tidy condition. As you can see, actually, let's turn some of that aircon on, because although it is the end of September, it's feeling very, very warm and muggy out there. Just for a weather update in Worcester today. Auto dim rear view mirrors, armrest here, and that is big enough to take a camera, as you can see. And that, my friends, is about it. Drives well, no warning lights on the dash, and that all important cam belt change done on it. As you can hear, it ticks over nicely. Pretty rare bit of kit, let's face it. Now, any other further information, feel free to get in touch with us. As I say, it's the 2.7 diesel automatic with just 27,000 miles on it, available with both soft and hard tops. And I reckon that's in pretty good all-round condition. Tell me if you disagree. Pretty rare, as I say. Tell me what you think of these things. Bit of fun, isn't it? Bit of fun, folks, bit of fun. Now, there are 50 to 60 photos on our website. Our website is vanstoday.com. We are Vans Today Worcester, based in the centre of the country, offering you nationwide delivery, part exchange and finance. If you're worried about who you're buying off, check out our reputation online. We have reviews, most importantly, on Google, but we have a presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and you're watching the video on our YouTube channel, so like and subscribe for all of our latest purchases. If you've made it this far, there's 14 minutes of your life you're never going to get back, but it gives you an honest description, I think, of what it is that you're getting. Ciao for now, my friends. Ciao.